Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to talk about your Instagram feed not working and how to sort this issue. So the first thing that you need to do if you're facing this problem, you can open your settings and go to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If not, then please connect to a stable internet. The next thing that you can do is you can come down and go to General and Software Update and make sure the software you're using is the latest one. If not, please update your software. The next thing that you can do is you can go here to date and time and set date automatically. And after doing that, you can go back to your main settings and then iPhone storage and go down and offload the Instagram app and then install it again. Even if this does not fix the problem, then you can go to your app store and here you can search Instagram. Let me just do it. And you can see if the app is not updated, you can update it, and I'm definitely sure after updating it, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open Instagram as normally as before. So this was it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll definitely see you in the next one.